Hello students, let us see this question here. The masses and radius of Earth and the Moon are m1 r1 and m2 r2. So let us make here, suppose this is Earth and this is Moon, suppose. Okay, and this is Moon here and this is Earth. So here the mass of Earth is given m1 r1 and the mass of Moon is given m2 and this is r2. All right, respectively. Their centers at a distance d apart. So let us take their centers here, and the distance between their center is d. Okay. The minimum speed with which a particle of mass m should be projected from a point midway between two centers so that to escape to infinity. So suppose there is a point here, right? So there is a particle of mass m. So this mass is m here, and this is the midpoint. So this distance will be d by 2, and similarly this distance will also be equal to d by 2. So it is saying how much speed must be provided so as to escape to the infinity. So let us assume the speed is given to the particle as v. So I can say, total, I can use the energy conservation here because the energy will remain conserved. So let us take the total initial energy. Total initial energy must be equal to total final energy, or you can say in other words, right, using energy conservation, I can say using energy conservation, I can say U initial plus KE initial must be equal to U final plus KE final. So let us see here. So what is the U initial? Right. So right, the potential energy due of this mass due to this. So that will be minus G. Right. The mass of this one is m1 into m upon the distance is d by 2. Right. Potential energy of this mass with respect to this. The potential energy of this mass with respect to this, that will be minus G m2. Right. The mass of this m upon the distance is d by 2. So this is the potential energy of this mass at this, right, this is the potential energy of the particle at this point, right. So this is the U, okay. The initial kinetic energy 1 by 2 mv square, so that will be 1 by 2 mv square. Now finally the mass will reach at infinity, so at the infinity potential energy will become 0, and it is talking about the minimum speed. So at the right, when you project the particle with the minimum speed, then at the infinity it must get stopped. So at the infinity the kinetic energy will also be equal to 0. Okay, because I am taking the minimum speed of projection. All right, so I can say here 1 by 2 m v square will be equal to, I can take this to right hand side, so that will be equal to minus g m d by 2, right, this minus will become plus here, okay, and this will be taken as common, and that will be m1 plus m2. All right, so this m will get cancelled out from here, okay, and this v square can be written as, right, this 2 will go up, all right, so that will become 4, and this 2 will go this side, so that will be 4z upon d, right, m1 plus m2. Okay, so that will be v square. All right, so from here I can see v will be equal to 4z m1 plus m2 upon d and the root of this. So this would be the answer. Okay students, I hope understood this question.